Well, Imran, right now I'm standing outside Mochi Gate where you can see a very tightened security arrangements. There are some separate sections for both male and female, and a large number of mourners. They are still coming and they are participating in the main Zujna procession, which was yesterday night taken out from Nisar Haveli. After crossing their historical route, right now the procession is still inside, and it's right now, according to the latest information which we have, that it has reached so far at Laka Nawabsam, from where it will reach towards Akbari Mandi. They will reach at Rangmel Chowk at around Zohar prayers. They will offer it over there, and from later on, after also crossing some other routes inside the Ball City, it will be ended at Maghrib prayers at Karbala Gamesha. Imran?
Now, Shiraz, stay on the line with me. Let me go to Quetta, to Mohammed Kazim. Now, Kazim, what can you tell us? What information do you have?
Well, Imran, Ashura is being observed with the religious fervor in Quetta and many other areas of Balochistan to pay homage to Imam Hussain and his companions who sacrificed their lives in Karbala for the glory of Islam. Many processions were taken out in Quetta city, and these processions were merged into the main procession at Alamdar Road. The main procession in Quetta city was started from Alamdar Road, and now the first batch of this procession has reached at Mizan Chowk. The religious scholar will address the participants of this procession at this Mizan Chowk, and after the address of religious scholars, the participants of this procession will move toward their termination point, which is again the Alamdar Road, after passing through Liaquat Bazar, Prince Road and Mekanigi Road. Yes, Imran.
Now, Kazim, since we know that Quetta is one of the most sensitive cities in the country, tell us about the security arrangements over there.
Strict security measures have been taken by the administration to provide security to this procession. Our viewers know that land industry is not Quetta, and in the meanwhile, the administration had declared Quetta very much sensitive in connection with Muharram. Therefore, a comprehensive plan was made by the administration to give protection to the procession of Ashura. Under this plan, over 10,000 personnel of police, Balochistan Constabulary and Frontier Corps have been deployed in Quetta city, while all the shops on the route of main procession have been sealed. In the meanwhile, the surrounding areas in the main center of Quetta have also been sealed, and this main center of Quetta at this moment is presenting a scene of curfew. In the meanwhile, over 76 security checkposts were also established in Quetta city. Many of these checkposts have been established on entry points of Quetta city, and all vehicles which are entering in Quetta city are being allowed after thorough check. Yes, Imran.
Kazim, stay on the line with me. Let me go back to Shiraz. Shiraz, could you tell us where has the procession reached up till now, and what is the culmination point?
Well, Imran, so far the latest information, the procession is moving from Laka Nawabsam to Akbari Gate, and there are also a number of other places. However, they are just even crossing some foot distance even in an hour. So it will take at least around 5-7 hours more that it will reach to its final destination, which was Karbala, which would be Karbala Gamesha. From there, Laka Nawabsam, Akbari Gate, then it would reach towards Rangmel Chowk, and there they will offer Namaz-e-Zohrain, and after that it will cross towards Pani Ala Talab, the Taksali Gate, and through Bhati Gate it will come out at the main Bhati Chowk, and then at there the police and the administration, the management of this procession, they are expecting that at around Maghrib prayer it will end up Karbala Gamesha, where they will also arrange Sham-e Ghariba, and after that the Jaume Shor activities would be ended. Regarding this procession, this is about the main procession. Along with it, there are approximately around 200 other small processions which are also being taken out at the different areas of the city, and we have also seen a very tightened security for all those processions. A large number of mourners, they are also participating in it, and a number of them, they also got some minor injuries during the chain and knives flagellation. But still, the Rescue 1122, the ED and their own services, emergency ambulance services, they are also a part of those processions, and they are also giving first aid and medical aid to those injured mourners. But so far, no one got any serious injuries, and there is no any untoward incident. However, yesterday we have seen that the late night before the Dujna procession, 2 suspects, they were also arrested, and they are still in police custody. But so far the situation is much better here in Lahore.
Thank you very much, Shiraz, our correspondent from Lahore, and thank you very much, Mohammed Kazim, our correspondent